The Reveuse Food Processor is a versatile appliance that effectively manages a wide range of kitchen tasks, from chopping and blending to mincing and pureeing, thanks to its powerful 300-watt motor and 4 bi-level stainless steel blades. It offers precise chopping control with its 2-speed, 1-touch pulse buttons, making it easy to achieve the desired texture for both soft and hard ingredients, including onions, meat, and nuts. Designed with convenience in mind, this compact food processor features a 7-cup glass bowl, making it perfect for everyday food preparation while saving valuable counter space. The user-friendly design includes an anti-slip rubber mat for stability during operation and comes with a spatula for easy mixing and dislodging of ingredients. The processor is easy to assemble and clean with a fully disassembled structure and BPA-free materials, ensuring a safe and hassle-free experience. This food processor includes essential accessories such as a whisking disc, making it a comprehensive tool for various kitchen needs.